So I'm actually streaming a little early, but that's because I'm feeling drowsy, both from eating and not getting enough sleep last night. I wound up eating too much ice cream. And two, I kind of want to get back to work because I was also rage playing World of Tanks Blitz, and yeah, that just completely screwed up my sleeping schedule. Yeah, this stupid event that's going on is just bringing in all the idiots. So yeah, but you know what are you gonna do? So anyway, I don't know if Greg's got the video out yet. Yeah, this has got to be from, yeah. So he hasn't come out of the video yet. So we'll watch it if he comes out with it. If not, then, you know, we'll keep it short. Alright, so let's take a look at what's going on. Yeah, this is not correct. Like, the hash rate is declining on according to blockchain.com. That makes no sense. Well, then again, maybe there's... Then again, Antpool also went down a bit, too. Alright, let's see. Yeah, so normie interest is still pretty low. Yeah, markets are, some are up and some are down, but not even down that much, so they're kind of mixed. Riot, of course, you know, recovered a good amount because Bitcoin's back at 40K. It hit around 40 to 40.4K. Since we haven't seen Greg's video yet, I don't know what the Federal Reserve's. Oh, here's the thing. What does this say? Why the Fed is taking a relatively slow approach. Okay, I don't wanna listen to a video. My brain is just a little fried right now. And funny enough, that asshole lawyer did not get back to me. Like his deadline was supposed to be today. So okay, fine by me. You know, when I go cancel the fucking trademark, you know, then screw him. And on top of that, I think the guy has to pay the lawyer even more to try to defend a losing trademark dispute. So, all right, then so be it. You know, these fucking assholes are going to just be stubborn, arrogant pieces of shit F-words, then I'll just take everything away. And then eventually I'll make all this money from cryptocurrency, and then I'll hire Brand Shield and just start, like, you know, removing everything by force. And then, you know, it'll be much better, you know, because, again, when it comes to worldly problems like trademarks and stuff like that, money does solve all those problems, you know. So, you know, of course, the hard part, and the first thing you gotta do is ask Jesus what the guidelines are, right? And that's the hard part, is figuring out what those are. But, you know, that's how it goes. So, let's see. So bonds are, yeah, they got bought up a little bit, so they were kind of flat. Let's see if we have anything here. Let's see. Yeah, Bitcoin hits 40K again. Booterins. Excuse me. Okay, that's Shiba Coin. $7 billion investment for Americans crypto to beat currency debasement. Sure. You know, kind of think of it. I guess we could use this as a thumbnail. Yeah, there just doesn't seem to be really much happening. I mean, people are hyping up this and hyping up that, and then it just turns out to be a big nothing burger, right? Does anyone even remember the Grayscale Trust Bitcoin unlocking? No one even talks about that anymore. So, yeah, that was a nothing burger. The Federal Reserve is also technically a nothing burger because we know they're just going to keep, you know, hyperinflating the debt supply and all that stuff and buying assets. Bit mining steps up Bitcoin mining ops in Kazakhstan. Great. Buckflow rides off the sunset. Small cap altcoins push higher as Bitcoin bulls fight to hold. Oh, okay. So let's actually take a look because I'm not feeling... Okay, so Ethereum's doing alright. Binance is doing good. Yeah, Dogecoin's still kind of flat. I mean, I don't really see anything going down. It's just things are flat or going up somewhat. I know VeChain is making a very nice recovery. It's right back at 8.2 cents. Filecoin's doing okay. I know Pancake Swap's almost at 15 bucks as well, so that's doing very good too. Yeah, Shiba, yeah, but that's because Dogecoin's not doing anything right now either. Okay, so for the most part, things look pretty good. The market's digesting. The 24-hour volume still looks pretty good, 96.2 billion. Okay, so, I mean, since we actually don't have any real... I don't want to end the stream so short, but I guess we could just read up on the Federal Reserve and see what the hell they were doing. Powell press conference. I really just don't want to listen to him, man. Crucial Fed meeting. Okay. Says, I don't know, which one of these fake news articles do we want to read? I guess we'll try Routers, because this one seems to be the most up to date, but this one was from an hour ago. Federal Reserve says the U.S. economy recovery is on track despite the bullshit surge. Huh, so what the building looks like. Fed leaves interest rates bond buying program unchanged. Okay. Yeah, just like Greg said. Powell says job gains needed before cutting bond buying. Yeah, well, that's not going to happen because more and more people are filing unemployment. Central bank's policy was unanimous. Oh, the policy statement. Yeah, not surprising. The U.S. economic recovery remains on track despite a rise in bullshit. The Federal Reserve said on Wednesday in a new policy statement that remained upbeat and flagged ongoing talks around the eventual withdrawal of monetary support. A news conference following the statement, Jerome Powell said the U.S. market still had some ground to cover before it would be time to pull back the support. Okay. Well, I want to see some strong job numbers in the coming months before reducing the $120 billion in bond purchases the Fed continues to make. But Powell also set aside, at least for now, the risk that renewed spread of the thing. Significant health consequences. Okay, the Fed's policy statement issued after the end of a two-day policy meeting reflected that confidence. With progress on vaccinations and strong policy support, indicators of economic activity and employment have continued to strengthen, the central bank said. Looking past the quadrupling of daily U.S. Okay, blah, blah, blah. So in December, the Fed said it would not change those purchases until there had been substantial further progress. Okay. And repair in the labor market that was then 10 million jobs short of. Okay. That number is now below 7 million. Okay, so they're buying 80 billion worth of treasury bonds and 40 billion worth of mortgage-backed securities, or MBSs. The economy has made progress, and the FOMC will continue to assess progress in the coming meetings. The Fed also said that higher inflation remained the result of transitory factors, meaning it was not an imminent risk. Well, we know that's bullshit. Along with leaving the bond buying program unchanged, the central bank on Wednesday kept its overnight benchmark interest rate near zero. Okay. U.S. stocks modestly lower before the release of the policy were mostly higher in late afternoon. Yields on the Treasury were choppy, trading. The dollar was slightly weaker against a basket of currencies. The Fed did not release any economic projections on Wednesday. Okay. Yeah, so it's exactly like what Greg said. So, I wonder why the markets just didn't boom then. I guess the market's a little worried that they're going to pull back because they see that the so-called job numbers are from 10 million to 7 million, so they know eventually it'll go positive. But I just don't know about that. Especially if they succeed in actually locking everything back down, which would maybe come around winter. So, I don't know. We'll have to see. Today is the Fed, yeah. Alright, so because I'm not feeling so good physically, mostly because I have had 2 nights in a row where I didn't really get enough sleep, right? Or 2 out of 3 days. And that's mostly because of the stupid ice cream. So I'm gonna make sure I don't eat ice cream today. I think I'll actually take tomorrow off because it's a Friday. You know, plus I got to. Well, no, tomorrow is. Oh no. Today is Wednesday. Shit, I can't take tomorrow off then. Well, I could take tomorrow off and then just come back on a Friday. I think I'll do that. Because I thought today was like Thursday for some reason. Yeah, I'll do that. I'll take tomorrow off unless something major happens in the markets, right? Yeah, so I'll take tomorrow off and I'll just come back on Friday because, yeah, I could really use some rest, so. But for the most part, things are looking pretty good. It's not great though because Bitcoin's still having trouble at 40K. But on the other hand, it's not precipitously dropping, especially after the Fed announced their quote-unquote decision. So we'll just have to see how it goes. But you know what? If Bitcoin just ends the week at 40K, I mean it's not the greatest, but at least it's progress, right? So. You know, I guess we'll just have to keep waiting and holding because, again, I'm really hoping that it'll just keep skyrocketing between now and, like, Labor Day. And it'll just make things nice and tidy and easier to deal with. But, you know, yeah. What I want does not necessarily mean I get. So, anyway, I'll see everybody on Friday. So hopefully I can take tonight and tomorrow to rest up a bit. Yeah, because I'm not going to stream tomorrow. Because I didn't even feel like streaming today. And funny enough, XQC got banned, but I think it was because he got a DCMA takedown from like the Olympic Committee or something. But I assume it was okay for him to watch it because he was watching the clips of it on like YouTube or something. I don't know. Anyway, I'll see you all on Friday, and yeah, you know, I think once I can get some kind of traction on the stupid trademark bullshit, right, and I can talk to that really good lawyer from the EU. Yeah, you know, things will be looking on the up and up. All right, see you all.